Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Tellor. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern once again, and you can see after this breakout, the price line is again dropped down inside this very strong support zone. And at the same time, on the smaller time frame, on the 4-hour time frame chart, a few hours back, it has broken out another falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here I've been showing you this breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern. And by the way, we had quite big pump from here. And that was, you can see, more than 590% pump. And after this pump, the price line again dropped inside a very strong support zone. Previously, this level had been breaking as a strong support here. You can see when we drop here in the month of October 2020, we got bounce from here. We again drop here. We got another bounce. We got another bounce here in the month of December. So it was breaking as a very strong support that starts from $16.50 and goes to 20 cents. And then we had another very big pump. And by the way, from this low to this high, that was more than 990% pump within few months. And again, we caught inside, TRB caught inside this falling wedge pattern. And after this zigzag move inside this resistance and support of the falling wedge pattern, we finally broke it out here in the month of July 2022. And by the way, before that, you can see we also had this level breaking as a very strong support. We got another bounce, we got another bounce, and once it was broken down, then this level flipped into a resistance. And here you can see we got rejected by this support zone that was breaking as a support zone previously, but here it was breaking as a resistance zone. And now we have again broken it out, and again we are dropped down here. And at the end of this support zone, this is the first bullish candlestick, green candlestick, that is flashed on this weekly time frame chart. Now, at the same time, I would like to show you RSI oscillator, and I was telling you this level of 44, where I have placed this trend line, is very important for RSI, and you can see it is breaking as a strong support and resistance for this RSI. Like previously, here it was breaking as a support, as a resistance, and right now, after reaching here, after touching this level, you can see that RSI is also turning bullish, and it is possible that, like it did here and here and here as well, if it will turn bullish once again, then the price line will follow RSI, and it will start another reversal move from here. And by the way, if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see it is exactly retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. That is slightly more than the golden pocket. We have crossed this golden pocket of 6.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, on this 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see we found this downtrend line resistance here. We got rejected here. We got several rejections by this resistance here, and several bounces by the support as well, like we were having here on this bigger time frame chart. On the smaller time frame chart, we have almost found a same kind of falling wedge pattern, and we have few hours back broken out this resistance of the falling wedge. But here on this smaller time frame, we have found another resistance, the price level resistance, and at $18.20, and previously this level had been working as a support here, resistance. You can see we got two rejections here. Therefore, again, we got rejected by this resistance. Therefore, we need to break out this price level resistance as well. There is a possibility that we may retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and then it will start another reversal and try to break out this resistance. The target for this smaller falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $23.80. In that situation, we can also break out this bigger resistance on this weekly time frame chart that we have here at $20, and then sooner or later we can hit the target for this bigger falling wedge pattern, because we have already broken out this big resistance. that will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.